got a real deck of playing cards. Do you guys like card tricks?
Yeah.
Good, I was going to show you one anyways. It didn't matter, but this is one of my favorite tricks. I'm just going to show you right off the hop. Every single one of these cards is different. Do you mind helping me out with this?
Sure.
You look semi-interested. That's why I asked. That's the only reason. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through the cards. You say stop whenever you like. You ready? Here we go. Nice and slow.
Stop.
Right there. Have a look at that card and memorize it, okay? Yeah. As a matter of fact, I'm going to look at it myself just to be sure. Now, trust me, I'm going somewhere with this. Now, your name is?
Cary.
Cary, I could actually have you sign this card, right, Cary? Maybe with a marker or a pen or something like that.
Yeah.
And that would prove to be your card, right?
Yeah.
But to be honest, Cary, in my experience, some people think that I'm a forger. I could cheat. I could possibly duplicate your signature, right? So here's what I'm going to do, Cary. I'm actually going to tear a corner off the card that you chose, which is the 5 of diamonds, okay? Now your job is just to hold on to the piece of that, okay? Maybe put it inside your pocket somewhere where I'm not going to be able to find that, okay? I'm not going to be going inside his pocket anytime soon, all right? Now Cary, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to tear the card up that you just chose, the 5 of diamonds, into little tiny pieces. Now Cary, we're about to perform an amazing magic trick, but first of all, I need you to hold on to those pieces if you would for me, please, because inside my pocket, here we go, I have a paper clip, and I'm going to take the pieces of your 5 of diamonds and very carefully clip them together. Now, Cary, do you have a free hand available? Maybe the hand that you write with, okay? Yeah. All I need you to do is just very carefully squeeze, okay? I just want you to squeeze onto the pieces of that card. It's too late because, believe it or not, the pieces of the card have actually disappeared, leaving only the paper clip behind. Now, I said that I was going to show you a magic trick, right? Would you be amazed if I took it a step further and I actually showed you a bona fide miracle? Hang on a second, I need the magic wand. It's in here somewhere. We got it. Here's my magic wand. Do you know why I call this my magic wand? Exactly, because if you bring this into any 7-Eleven or gas station and you wave it around, they'll pretty much give you just about anything. No, don't take my word for that. But there's a real reason why I brought my magic wand out here. Cary, I'm going to trade you the paper clip. I'm going to hold on to that. We'll just leave it on the table. Do you have the piece of that card that we tore off? It was the 5 of diamonds, right?
Yep.
All right, awesome. We are about to perform a miracle here, ladies and gentlemen. You're not going to believe this. I'm just going to move this over. Very good. Hopefully it's around there somewhere because this is the big part of the trick. This is the miracle part. Hold it up so everyone can see it. Now that's been in your pocket the entire time.
Correct.
You freely chose whichever card that you want. Now Cary, these cards have been here the entire trick, right? Yeah. I didn't touch them anyway. The card should be inside. Well, like I said, I'm about to perform a miracle. Just answer me one question. Cary, how hot do you think it is today?
Very hot.
Very hot. Would you say it's about 30 degrees, a little bit over that? It's scorching hot. Answer me this. Do you see the word icicle anywhere on this card box? The word icicle?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is, right, because it's a bicycle deck, right? So bicycle. Do you know why they actually call it a bicycle deck? Because inside there's actually an iceberg. You don't believe me. You look puzzled. Let me explain why. See, let me open this up. You won't believe this. These cards have been here the entire time. Well, check this out, Cary. Inside, do you see what's inside there?
Water.
It's a block of ice. Let me pull this out a little bit. A block. And Cary, you won't believe this, but inside the block of ice is one card. Is one card sealed. It's not on the top of the block of ice. It's not on the bottom. It's precisely right in the middle of that block of ice. Now, Cary, do you have that piece there? Because it actually looks like this card is missing a corner. And here's where I bring up my magic wand. Hang on a second. Let me chisel this hardened ice away from that corner. Now, Cary, if the corner matched onto this corner here, the trick would be an absolute miracle. And if it wasn't, the trick would be a fraud. So your job is to very carefully take and match that up for the camera so everyone can see it. Does that match on exactly, Cary?
Exactly.
There it is. We have an exact match. Ladies and gentlemen, there's your miracle, and that's something that I call icebreaker. A little bit of magic for you on Canada Day. Thank you very much. I have no idea how that works. I just thought that I'd share that with you. Here's a little souvenir. You can keep it.
There's no sleeves.
You can put that on eBay. It'll be worth something someday. Quickly though, it'll melt. I'll sign it later when it's available. Thanks, guys. You guys were a lot of fun. Take care. Yeah. Have a great day.